Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesabirria tacos at home. Start by browning beef, then toast dried chilies and blend them into a rich marinade. Simmer the meat until fork tender, shred it finely, and reduce the broth into a dipping consommé. Warm tortillas, layer cheese and meat, then pan crisp until golden. Serve with cilantro, onion, lime, and a small bowl of consommé for dipping. Measure ingredients and organize a mise-en place to keep the cook simple and fun. Rehydrate chilies in hot water while you chop onion and garlic, then blend chilies with vinegar and spices for a smooth sauce. Sear the seasoned beef in batches until deeply browned, then combine with the sauce and simmer gently. Shred the cooled meat, reserve the rich broth, and prepare tortillas and cheese for assembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof containers to store leftover birria, make meal prep simple, and avoid messy spills when transporting tacos. They stack neatly and keep consommé and shredded meat separate until you reheat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy less cleanup and more eating. Now let's get back to the video. Cook patiently, and you will be rewarded with tender, flavorful meat and a concentrated consommé. Check meat occasionally and adjust heat to maintain a gentle simmer for optimal tenderness. Once the meat shreds easily, strain and reduce the broth until it coats a spoon. For tacos, dip each tortilla in consommé, add cheese and shredded meat, then pan fry until the edges are crispy and the cheese melts, perfect for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.